Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your Lenovo Legion. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Now here we'll write the Firefox browser. And hit the search button. Now we're gonna select this app and press on the install. After the process of installation is done, we can open the app and start customizing it. We can change the light or dark theme or just set it automatic. You can pick your toolbar placement from bottom or top. You can change the always on privacy settings from standard to strict. You can also sync your other Firefoxes between multiple devices by signing up to an account. You should read the privacy notice, and after all that we can start browsing and just go to any website that we want, for example google.com. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.